Okay, we're gonna relight this thing off. Got no pipes on it. Don't need no stinking exhaust pipes. That'd take more time to hook all that junk up. Okay, let's see how long the liquids are before they don't work. Should still have some fuel in it from before. Where's the adjustable? Adjust it here. A little bit of air conditioning just in case. These might be thicker in there, but we'll see. Minor adjustments. Working way in. There we go, almost squirt now.
Indian motorcycle company.
Yep.
Speed.
Get Indian.
Good.
Any lights on? Crank right up. Should have fired. Let's see, what wire do we put on the 12? I think I had it hooked up correctly. Yeah, we don't want to fit that way, so I know that's correct.
Why is it pushing out of the intake?
I don't know, I've seen it before. Might be something going on in the ignition. Didn't run very good before, but it did start nicely. They had this much standoff before. Find one on this side now. There's the plug wires. That'll really make a kick now.
acts like it wants to hit, but it doesn't.
I switched the wires over here and it started right up, but this is not how they're supposed to be up there.
Yeah, I bet it's got a dead cylinder from ignition. Something ain't right. You can tell it wants to hit.
Well, it's healthy now, but it didn't
Yeah.
before. I put the plug wires back there they should have been. I'll keep it in fire.
Yeah, something's wrong.
So the ignition's crap. I knew something was wrong with the bike, I just didn't know what it was. So I rebuilt the motor for nothing.
Oh, I don't know if it was for nothing. I'm sure it was for something.
It's definitely a lot louder than it used to be. Alright, we're going to put another ignition module in it.
Yeah, that's
swap this all out.
Problem.
The coil's a twin tag coil, but it should be a good coil. Change the plug wires. So something's going on down
Yeah,
here.
the signal ain't there.
Something's wrong.
It's intermittent too. It wants to.
It's on single fire. You should be firing harder on each cylinder.
Yeah.
It's not. It's
Yeah.
running along. That only ran about what, about 80% or 20% of the time?
Yeah.
80
Yeah.
not running.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
cold, and that burned the hell out of you when it did fire.
Yeah. Yeah, you can hear it.
But anyway, that's why it didn't run. Because it was worse than gutless before. Now it's pretty hot now.
Yeah, sometimes you get up.
Yeah, it's pretty hot now. It's gonna. Well, I'll put a new ignition in. So I'll go do that, and we will be back.